Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Philips Computer Monitors 241E1S 24-inch frameless monitor. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The 24-inch E-line monitor features stunning visuals and elegant design for a stylish enhancement to your workspace. With crisp Full HD visuals, it even has AMD FreeSync technology which ensures smooth action for the time when you want to switch from browsing to gaming. IPS displays use an advanced technology which gives you extra-wide viewing angles of 178/178 degrees, making it possible to view the display from almost any angle. Unlike standard TN panels, IPS displays give you remarkably crisp images with vivid colors, making it ideal not only for photos, movies, and web browsing, but also for professional applications which demand color accuracy and consistent brightness at all times. Smart Contrast is a Philips technology that analyzes the content you are displaying and automatically adjusts colors and controls backlight intensity. This dynamically enhances contrast for the best digital images and videos or games where dark hues are displayed. When economy mode is selected, contrast is adjusted and backlighting fine-tuned for just right display of everyday office applications and lower power consumption. Smart Image Game Mode lets you choose from a range of gaming profiles to optimize your experience by game type. FPS Mode First-person shooting improves dark themes in games, allowing you to see hidden objects in dark areas. Racing Mode adapts display with fastest response time, high color, along with image adjustments. RTS Mode has a special Smart Frame Mode which enables highlighting of specific area and allows for size and image adjustments. Gamer 1 and Gamer 2 enable you to save personal customized settings based on different games. Having a wide color gamut is important for those who work with high-quality images and people whose work requires precise use of color, such as content designers or digital photographers. This monitor impresses with its 91% of NTSC and 106% of sRGB coverage. These percentages mean that you can view 91% and 106% of their respective color ranges, both are very wide amount. This useful feature will help professionals with applications demanding color accuracy and spread. Due to the way brightness is controlled on LED backlit screens, some users experience flicker on their screen which causes eye fatigue. Philips flicker-free technology applies a new solution to regulate brightness and reduce flicker for more comfortable viewing. Studies have shown that just as ultraviolet rays can cause eye damage, short-wavelength blue light rays from LED displays can cause eye damage and affect vision over time. Developed for well-being, Philips Low Blue Mode setting uses a smart software technology to reduce harmful shortwave blue light that all monitors emit. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.